So what better of a time to take a look at this trash can? Let's take a look, even while I'm doing the car wash. So my daughter tends to throw trash like this in my car all the time. I know she's gonna see this and get mad, and that's okay. But for right now, take a look. Very simple process. You get the trash, you push it down just like this. Very simple, and then you're done. There goes the car wash. Now, this absolutely comes with small little trash cans. They actually look like little poop bags for dogs, if you will, for when you go to the park. And that's really what they look like. But this right here just opens on the top, and then you can just go ahead and dump this away. Now, there are different varieties of this, and I should have gotten the one that had the red top to match the interior of my car. But this is what I have right now, and this is what I'm showing you. But definitely take a look, and you get two for about under $10. Not too shabby. Now, for size comparisons, here's a Cascade bottle, and then here's the trash can. Here's the size against a coffee mug, and then a shot glass. Alright, so wait, there's more. Alright, we're gonna go into the car, and we're gonna hang these hooks if I can. Oh my god, I can't! I was kidding, I can. Check this out. Now, with the mini car trash bin, you get a set of these guys right here, these clips. Let's go and put them up. If you don't know what these clips are, well, you simply hook this to the back of your seat. You have this right here, and then you get a handy dandy trash bag, which I'm not really a fan of. But if you're carrying some trash or some groceries rather, you can hang the bag as so. And you get a set of two. So here's one, and you get a set of two along with the little mini trash can. But that's not it. Remember I said? That's right, you get the little trash bags. Here they are. I'm not gonna use them, but you definitely can.